Go ahead and set up and cut through. You can also use a pipe cutter. There are multiple tools that you can use to cut through this. I find a Sawzall with good fresh metal blade is the best way. Okay. Last thing, make sure to use eye protection under all of this. I've taken hot metal to the face. It's no fun. So go ahead and do that. Get set up and go ahead and cut your pipes. All right, y'all. So as you can see, the pipes are cut. So my suggestion, again, when you do this, I tend to prefer a Sawzall with a short, new metal blade on it because it allows you to get to some of the angles. But the patience, my recommendation on this is just patience. So, because if you're twisting on your Sawzall or you're twisting the blade at all, you're going to get an uneven cut. It's going to scallop. It's going to bend. All kinds of strange stuff. Plus, you've got some narrow angles to come at. So here on the passenger side, I come from the middle and I come across. Same thing, so here on the driver's side, I actually come from the outside of the car and cut across because your inner cat here kind of gets in the way and it's very hard to get to the inside. But as you can see, it's now all loose. Both pipes are completely cut. You can see my hose clamp here that I used to double check my measurements. Again, really make sure, wear a mask, potentially, definitely wear eye guard. As you move around to make these cuts, you will get hot metal that comes off. So please be careful with that. I took a piece of hot metal to the eye once when I was doing one of these, and it was horrible for about 2 weeks.